Hello children, in the last video we started learning about sense organs. We can continue with the remaining sense organs. We learned about eyes, the structure and caring of eyes. Today we are going to learn about ears, nose, tongue and skin. So let us start with the second most important sense organ, our ears. Ears has two functions. One you might be knowing. It helps us to hear sounds. The second most important function of ears is to maintain the balance of our body. If there is any problem with the ears, the balance of our body will be lost. So two functions are there for our ears. We have an outer part of ear which is outside your body and an inner part of the ear. Both are equally important for us to hear sound properly. Sound waves are received and directed into the inner ear with the help of the outer ear. That is what we see in our body, outside our body. Okay? So, we know that whenever you see something, if you hear the sound along with that seeing, it is more felt by you. So, hearing is also equally important as seeing things. So, we are able to hear sound because of ears and we have to take proper care of our ears. So, never clean your ears with a pointed object like a matchstick, safety pin, then whatever it is, because when you put that sharp things inside your ears, it can damage or destroy a very thin membrane in your ears called eardrum. And eardrum is very important for you to hear sounds properly. If it is damaged, nothing can be done. So always when you put something in your ears, just remember about the thin membrane called eardrum and stop or avoid putting sharp objects in your ears. Use a dry towel to clean your ears. After taking a bath, I think nobody will be doing it. We don't care about the ears too much, isn't it? We always have to prevent water from getting into our ears, and once if it has entered our ears or every day after taking a bath, you have to wipe off the water in your ears. Otherwise, it can lead to fungal infection. Always go to a doctor if you have an earache. Obviously, we will go because it is very painful. So, if you have an earache, you have to go to a hospital to consult a doctor. Earache means ear pain. Okay. So, ears are the second most important sense organ. It helps us to hear sounds and to maintain the balance of your body. Okay. Next sense organ is our nose. Nose helps us to smell. It helps us to breathe. Nose is also very important. All the sense organs are equally important. Nose is also important. It helps us to breathe and it helps us to smell. So, when you breathe, the air enters into your nose. Along with that, dust particles are also inhaled, isn't it? But that dust particles is stopped without entering into our lungs or inside our body with the help of small hairs present in our body. Inside our nose. Small hairs are present inside our nose which prevents dust from entering. So, when dust starts entering, the hair will prevent the dust from getting into our body, and that's why you sneeze. That is an action against the dust that is trying to enter our body. You just sneeze and throw that dust away. Okay. So, sense of smell and sense of taste are connected. I'll tell you how. Okay, just remember sense of smell and sense of taste are connected. Keep your nostrils clean by blowing your nose properly. Don't blow your nose too much. Okay, I've seen some of the people, they are squeezing their nose. That is not good for your nose. Just blow your nose properly so that it is made clean. Breathe through the nose, because I told you hairs are present in the nose which prevents dust from entering into our nose. So, only if you breathe through your nose, these dust particles can be prevented from entering our body. If you open your mouth and breathe through your mouth, what happens? All the dust will go inside our body because there is no hair present in your mouth. It is only in the nose. So always breathe through your nose unless there is an emergency situation like nose bleeding or something. Okay. Do not pick your nose. Do not pick your nose means don't put your finger or any other things inside your nose in order to clean your nose. Okay, that is not a good habit. Do not pick your nose. Just blow it to keep it clean. Okay, and inhale steam to clear a blocked nose. We all suffer from cold, isn't it? So if you want to get cleared from a blocked nose, you have to inhale steam. That is the best way to clear a blocked nose. Don't keep on blowing your nose. At last blood will start coming, isn't it? Don't do that. Just inhale steam. It will be cleared properly. Next sense organ is tongue. You'll be wondering why I have not written anything. Nothing is there regarding tongue. Tongue is an organ of taste. It helps us to taste the things around us. But don't go and try to taste everything around us. There are some things which we can eat. Only that things you need to taste. Okay. There are tiny bump-like structures. You can see this very clearly. Tiny bump-like structures in your tongue, on the tongue. Okay. These bump-like structures have taste buds inside them. Okay, these taste buds detects the taste of the food that we eat. It detects mainly 4 tastes: sweet, salty, sour and bitter. Okay, these 4 tastes are detected by the taste buds present inside these tiny bumps. Okay, there are nerve endings in the taste buds which helps us to detect the taste. The sense of smell and sense of taste are linked, I told you earlier, because only when our nose is cleared, we will taste the food better. Suppose you are having fever and cold and you have a biryani in front of you, will you feel taste for the biryani? No. If you are able to smell it, you will be very happy. You will feel the real taste of that food item in front of you. That is because sense of taste and sense of smell are linked. When you get the smell of some food items, you really feel the taste of that food items in your mouth, even before tasting it, isn't it? So that is because they are connected. Okay, so the tiny bumps have taste buds inside which helps to detect the 4 tastes around us. Okay, and the next next sense organ is our skin. It is the outer covering of our body. All this muscles, flesh, blood, everything is covered, everything has an outer covering called skin. Skin helps us to feel many things: pain, pressure, it helps us to feel heat, cold, everything. So sense of touch or sense of pain, everything is obtained from this skin. And skin has tiny pores in it to give out the waste from the body in the form of sweat. So we have to take proper care of our skin as it covers major part of our body. Remove dirt from the skin using soap and clean water. That means take bath every day at least twice. Okay, with soap and water. Don't just stand under the shower and come back. Use soap to or body wash to remove dirt from your body. After taking a bath, dry yourself thoroughly. Don't allow water to remain in your body that causes diseases and infections. So dry your body thoroughly. Use loose clothes. Loose means not too loose clothes. Okay, according to your shape and size, but it should not be too fit or too tight. Okay, there should be space for air to pass through the cloth. Okay, then only it will be comfortable for you. So clothes should be loose enough for air passage. Okay, and scratch or cut in your body should be treated with an antiseptic lotion, otherwise it causes infection. So these are the basic things to take care of your skin, as it is very essential to be pretty. Okay, your skin shows your cleanliness, your skin shows your habits, how you take care of your skin. Okay, so in these 2 chapters, that means chapter 9 and chapter 10, we learned many interesting things about our body, isn't it? The skeletal system and the nervous system are the two important systems of our body. In this chapter, we learned about the nervous system, the brain, spinal cord and nerves, and the reflex actions that is going on in our body, and we learned the sense organs which connects us to the outside world. I hope these are all new informations for you. So, just read the textbook, try to take care of your sense organs so that you will be healthy and thankful to God for giving such a beautiful life with all these wonders happening in your body. So, read your textbook, very important chapters, okay? Read, make it more thorough. So, thank you.